In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your forgotten e- password of your email or your Gmail. How to see it and find it, just watch and follow this video till the end. First, you have to open your Google Chrome and you go to this three dot in the top of the screen. And after that, you have to go to Passwords and Autofile and click on Google Password Manager. So here guys, you will find some sites that your password is saved on your PC in. So you will go and click on google.com. So write your PC password and click OK. And here is guys, I found my password from for this email and a lot of if I go scroll down. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next tutorial.